Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And one controls in this headphones located at the right ear cup. So let's get started with the Bluetooth button. With this Bluetooth button you can enter to prank mode by press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds until the LED light right here near to USB-C port start flashing white and blue. Then we have volume down button, and with this button you can, now let me play some song, you can lower the volume by pressing it, or did we, okay, now let's increase the volume with using volume up button. So you just press on it and we increase it, and with volume down button we can lower it by also pressing. Also with the volume down button we can play next track. You need to press and hold at this button, and now as you can see we play next track. To play previous track we need to use volume up button. So again, press and hold on it. Firstly to repeat your track, and you need to press and hold immediately, and now we play previous track. And between these volume control buttons we have also multifunctional button, and we can play and pause the song with it by press one time, and we can also pause the song with it. And with this button we can turn off and turn on these headphones by press and hold this button. And that's it. Oh, actually no. We can set this button. So by default, you can, if you press one time at the Bluetooth button, you can swap between equalizer presets. So you press one time, and as you can see I just swap, and by default we swap only between these 3 presets. But if we go to the settings, and to the control settings, we can only set to swap to customize preset, but you need to remove one of these presets, so because you can't, as you can see, use more than 3 presets here, so you just disable original, let's say, and use customize. Also at this single press you can add another feature. You can add to call a game mode or voice assistant or earpod switch. It's up to you. And then we have double press. As you can see we have a game mode. Now let's check it. So right here we have it, and I press 2 times, 1, 2, and I just enable game mode, 1, 2, and I disable it. But you can also set it like with a single press. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!